Some problems here from the previous class. See, the resistance of metal wire of length 2 meter is 10 to the power of 4 ohms at 20 degrees centigrade if the diameter of the wire is 0.15 millimeters. Find the resistivity of the metal at that temperature. So here we have to find the resistivity. So what is given here? Resistance. How much? 10 to the power of 4 ohms. Length 2 meters. And diameter 0.15 millimeter. Let's see. Given diameter D is equals to 0.15 mm. See here, 1 mm means we have to convert meters, 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. Let D is equals to 0.15 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. Now, diameter is given. We have for area of cross section because of we know formula. R is equals to rho L by A. So R is given, L is given, A means A is equals to pi R square. So now we find the R. So R is nothing but radius of the wire. So hence is given is diameter, then R is equals to D by 2. So D by 2 means 0.15 into 10 to the power of minus 3 by 2. So 0.15 by 2 is, so how much will come? See here, 0.15 by 2. That means 2 ones 0.7075. 0.075. Am I right? So here 0.075 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. Now here, so A is equals to pi means 3.14 into 0.075 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 0.075 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So this is A. Now already given L is equals to how much? 2 meters. Now R is equals to resistance 10 to the power of 4 ohms. Now find resistivity. Rho is equals to see here, R is equals to rho L by A. That implies rho is equals to RA by L. Therefore rho is equals to RA by L. So we know R is equals to how much? 10 to the power of 4 into A 3.14 into 0.075 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 0.075 into 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by L means 2. So we cancellation 2 ones. Here how much? 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2, remaining 1 here, 2 5s are 10, so 1.57 here. So we have to calculate here and find the answer for your homework. Okay. So in this problem the answer is 1.76 into 10 to the power of minus 4 ohm meter. So let us find your calculation and get this answer. Okay. Sorry, this is not for 1.76 into 10 to the power minus 4. So the answer is 0.88 into 10 to the power of minus 4 ohm meter. Okay. 0.88 into 10 to the power of minus 4 ohm meter. So you have to get this answer 0.18 into 10 to the power of minus 4 ohm meter. See the second problem. If a wire of resistance R is melted and recast to half of its length, the new resistance of the wire will be. That means the given resistance is R. The given resistance of the wire is R. Then the original length is L. Now the second one is the recast. When it is melted, when it is heated the wire, the length can be changed. The change of length is half. That means L is equals to L by 2. Let's see here. We have to go for this problem. Hence, here volume of the wire does not be changed. That means why it is does not be changed means the area of the length and length of the wire should be going on. Volume is equals to area into length. Area into length at any cost. If it is length is half, volume means area into length only. So that's why we can go for this problem. Volume is equals to area into length. So that's why volume is constant. That's why AL is equals to constant. AL is equals to constant. So A1 L1 is equals to A2 L2. So what is given? A1 is means we don't know. L1 means L. A2 means we don't know. L2 means L by 2. So A1 by A2 is equals to A1 by A2 is equals to, so A2 can get this L by 2 by L. Therefore A1 by A2 is equals to L by 2L. So LL get cancelled, 1 by 2. That means A1 by A2. Why we have to find this A1 by A2 means we know the formula. Resistance R is equals to rho L by A. Rho L by, here rho is constant. Here rho is constant. So now for this is the original resistance, so R is equals to L by A. Now we can get R2. That means new resistance R2 is equals to L2 by A2. L2 by A2. Hence from original length R1 is equals to L1 by A1. Hence we find the R2. Now R2 by R1 is equals to L2 by A2 divided by L1 by A1. So now L2 by A2 into A1 by L1. So L2 by L1 into A1 by A2. So that's why we have to find A1 by A2. So we know L2 by L1. L2 by L1 means L2 means L by 2. So L1 means L into A1 by A2 means how much? 1 by 2. So here LL get cancelled. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is equals to 1 by 4. So now R2 by R1 is equals to 1 by 4. So R2 is equals to 1 by 4 R1. Hence the length should be off. Length should be off. When the length is off, the new resistance of the wire is R2 is equals to 1 by 4 R1. Okay, let's see the next problem.